In this example, we will be evaluating the square root of 0.5. However, the square root of 0.5 does not have a solution that is a terminating decimal. To find an approximation of the square root of 0.5, we're going to have to look for values whose square roots give us terminating decimals. Examples of this is the square root of 0.49, which is equal to 0.7, or the square root of 0.64, which is equal to 0.8. We can see that the square root of 0.50 lies between 0.49 and 0.64. So with this information, we can then write an inequality. 0.7 is less than the square root of 0.50, which is less than the square root, or just 0.8. Now that we can see that 0.7 is less than our square root, which is less than 0.8, we can then try to approximate by taking a look at how close 0.50 is to both 0.49 and 0.64. So compared to 0.49, it's only 0.01 away. 0.64 is 0.14 away. So because of this, we can see that it's a lot closer to the square root of 0.49, which is 0.7. So we can approximate the square root of 0.5 to be about 0.7.